Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Bunny, 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 bunny. Bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. Bunny. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest, your favorite boomer's favorite boomer, Pancake Bunny. I want to talk more about it. I stacked up some more bunny, and I'll tell you why. Make sure you drop a comment here in the population of the chat box. The bull run continues. The crypto maniacs are out in the front lines of the blockchain battlefield trenches, shooting at whatever moves out there in the trenches. Shout out to all the funny bunnies. I'm going to tell you why. I picked up a little bag out there. I've been selling, but now I want to maybe hodl for a couple days. Shout out to Dab Master. Shout out to Athlete. Everybody following me on DLive. Make sure you tune in to the champion over there, dlive.tv/champagne crypto. You could stake BitTorrent over there as well. I'm restreaming using restream.io. JoJo's in the box. Dab Master's in the box. Athlete and the rest of the boomers. I'm over here on the Pancake Bunny Finance. Now, what's going on here is that the price of Bunny's moving, okay? It's about to hit $500. And if you've been following the champ, this has been one of the primary protocols that I've been using in the past couple of weeks to stack and rack and pack these cakes and continue to flip and dip them, okay? In other words, this yield optimizer has been treating me well, especially for cake. And there is a rumor on the Binance streets now. There's a rumor on the Binance streets. This team just basically I don't know if you want to say doxed themselves or not, but they revealed who's behind PancakeSwap. It's this team Mound, and they're going to be doing more PR or press. I don't know, but they're behind PancakeSwap, and Binance Labs has done a strategic investment in their company, 1.6 million. Okay, seed round over there. So, people are getting excited. Now, furthermore, there is a rumor, and this is a rumor. Okay, this may not be true. This is what I'm hearing. It could be a lie. Okay, but there's a rumor that PancakeSwap's going to get listed on Binance on Friday. Now, that may be wrong. I've heard that rumor last week that it was going to be Binance listing soon, but now I'm hearing it's going to happen on Friday through, sources there online. They could be liars, so I don't know. Okay, but based on, just this information, this Binance Lab seed round, and I'm seeing the price move. Let's pull up CoinGecko. Let's pull up the CoinGex and see the actual price and look at the chart. Thing is with Bunny, I can't find it on TradingView, and I don't have the BSC view or whatnot, so it's hard to get a good chart on it. So I'm kind of just looking at it here on the Gex. So you got it at 446. This is pulling up on Binance. Remember, we're looking for fast horses. Okay, and right now this appears to be a horse that's moving faster than BNB. BNB being on full charge. I don't got to explain to you guys. BNB is pulling up. Okay, Pancake Bunny right now is 0.77 BNB. Check out the circulating supply, 510 out of 819. This is less than 1 million coins. In my opinion, if the protocol and project continues to perform well, and it does get listed on Binance as rumored. That may not be true, but let's say if it is, I could expect this coin to catapult into the top. Right now it's 253, so it could be the top 200. It could be a top 150 coin, or maybe even creep into the top 100. At this, market cap 400. Oh, that says 400 BNB. Let's see what the market cap US dollar is. 229 million. I mean, this could easily be a $500 million coin, okay? Market cap wise. So, I would easily double up the price. You're at 446 right now. This could hit 1,000 if it lists on Binance, okay? If it lists on Binance or not, I don't know, okay? Again, I don't know, but going back to their Twitter, this is breaking news just last night. Mound, which is behind Pancake Bunny, is getting 1.6 million strategic investment rounds for Mound. These are the guys behind the Bunny. So they're going to be doing more stuff. I believe they're going to cross-chain with ETH, etc. So, the funny Bunny, guys. What could I say? I never expected here to be booming on something called Pancake Bunny, but it is what it is. Again, we trade what we have, not what we wish for. Okay. So, that's why I'm bullish. So I went ahead and, I've been staking and baking a nice bag of cake on Pancake Bunny. And by staking cake, you earn rewards in the form of cake and bunny. I've been selling the bunny. Okay, I've been selling the bunny, ever since 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. Now as it creeps up to 500, I'm kind of like questioning it. And I'm saying, hey, is this token going to, go to a G pack over here? Is it going to go to $1,000? Maybe, perhaps, especially with this rumor, if it's true. So, I'm considering flipping my strategy and it would be selling the cake and then stacking the bunny, because I've been doing the opposite, selling the bunny and stacking the cake. But now what I'm questioning here is if the Pancake Bunny, being that it's a smaller cap coin, if it's going to pull up and run faster, if the horse is going to run faster, and it may run faster. Okay, because it's a small cap and it may run faster, in the short term if it does get listed by Binance in the coming week or so. Okay, so, I did a little stake and bake over there. And then you could stake bunny. There's 2 pools, and I'll show you guys the pools here. You got one bunny pool here at 318 and then another one at 369. You can see here, bunny at 318, and then another one at bunny at 369. The bunny boost gives you more bunny at 318 APY. If you deposit in this vault or farm or whatever you want to call it, your assets are locked for 3 days. If you withdraw, you will be charged 0.5% for, that's the fee within 3 days. Now, they have this other vault, bunny, which pays you in WBNB, and that's at 369. There is no fee on that vault. And then, of course, you got the LP vault, which is Bunny BNB. And then, you got the cake, which, I've been using. And they got a bunch of other vaults or whatnot. They got a nice smooth UI and, kaboom, kaboom. It is what it is. So, consider that. But the price right now, 448, is attractive. Obviously, it looks like it's going to test 500. If it does get listed by BNB, which it probably is now that, they're basically, exposing the team. They're no longer anonymous, is my understanding here. You can see who Mound is. You could read the Binance blog. And listen, if Binance is backing it, what am I going to say? NFT says Midas shares giving 2% every day. Not bad since Pancake gives only 0.3 per day. Yeah, I've been in and out of Midas shares. The thing is, with Midas, it's not a token that is as strong as Pancake. Okay, it's a lot more volatile. So, I've been in and out of it, but, I wouldn't have a stake in Midas as big as I would in cake, because, again, it's the volatility. So right now, as far as a more volatile, smaller cap coin, I'm going to go with the bunny, just off this rumor. Yeah, but I've been in and out of Midas, and, 2% every day may be good, but again, I'm trying to combine here, finding, and I've put a challenge out to everybody out there. Find me a top 100 or a top 75 coin that pays solid like Pancake Swap, and that the token is solid, and it's less volatile than something like maybe Midas or even BDO at one point, went under $1 to like 60 cents. There's a lot of volatility there. So, and I guess the 2% every day or, the daily APY covers for that. But, I don't want to be chasing things down. So I got a nice bag there on the cake, and I feel like it's been going good. As far as a top cap coin, that's probably the sexiest one. Okay. And then, I'll chase down Bunny now. Well, not chase down. I'll speculate on the Bunny. The APY is about the same, but maybe that token boosts a little bit more in market cap. Shout out to LM. Shout out to NFT Farmer, LM Khan, Jojo Wave, Dabmaster J, the rest of the boomers out there. Again, I'm letting you guys know my speculative play. And, look, yield watch just at him. So, Pancake Bunny it is right now as far as a speculative play. I'm still, obviously speculating here on cake. I got the bag staked on Bunny, and you're earning, almost 1% a day over there. Okay, in the form of cake and Bunny, 2 tokens that are looking very, very good right now. And, I look at it like this. Pancake Bunny could be somewhat correlated to cake, which is somewhat correlated to Binance. And right now, they all look to be going pretty well. Okay, so, until it changes, I don't know how long that's going to last. There's plenty of talk now. The normies are talking about BNB flipping ETH. It's funny to me, like the mainstream YouTubers now, they're like pressed to talk about Binance. It's like, where were they? They didn't let you know about it. What happened back in January? Where were they? They were still telling you about ETH. Like, these guys, man, you got to get in there. You got to get in there and do crypto instead of just show charts all day long. And listen, we show the charts, but you got to do crypto. You got to crypt walk out on these streets and just keep, instead of just talk. A lot of these mainstream, they just show you the charts and they tell you, yeah, resistance here, it broke out there, yada, yada. I mean, they package it nice and they speak, articulately, but come on. I'm here for the boom. Shout out to LM Green today. So let's look at the, just see what the prices are. But, 446 over here with Pancake Bunny. This is my spec right now. Let's see if they do pull up on Binance. Because look at this. Look at the circulating supply. Look at the cap. Look at the cap. Look at the cap over there. So, this could break the 200 in my opinion. Let's look at, this could be a 150 coin, Let's go to 150 and see what the market caps for the 150 coins are. So if it pulls up on, 150 rank, like an MDEX or something, let's say, refinance, for instance, that's 480. That's 480 compared to, or was it 290 something? $229, yeah. So I mean, like, it could easily get to 480 and still be 100 and ranked 150. So I mean, yeah, this could crash through 1,000 if everything goes well. Again, this is just my hunch, my opinion. Again, I could be wrong. I'm not your daddy. I got to throw all those disclaimers out there for the crypto cucks. The crypto cucks may be listening. Okay, so the crypto cucks out there, I'm not your daddy, but I'm saying that maybe perhaps it looks good. Pancake Bunny Finance there, 446. I think it cracked 1,000. So you see what I'm saying? Like, I'm looking at something like Bunny and I'm comparing it to Cake. Cake has been doing great, and I'm all for Cake. Okay, because I feel like it's going to hold this position and it's going to pull up on the top 25 and be, more closer to a blue chip status. But in the short term run here, Bunny could easily crack 1,000. Compare that to Cake. It's already at 25. For it to crack 50, it's I think a little more difficult. It's going to encounter a little bit more resistance than, say, a Bunny. A double up on a Bunny seems to be more feasible than a double up with Cake. Which city are you from? Just curious as NFT. I'm from the internet. I'm just an AI program, perhaps. That's how it goes. I'm Satoshi's big cousin. We're out here only on the internet. Exchange coins will pump hard, says NFT. They have been. And I've been looking at, another one, an alternative to Binance is a KuCoin. This one has been looking good too. I don't know where it is today, but it has pulled up on Binance for the past year, I guess. And you can see compared to BNB, it's down, but look at the chart against BNB for the past 30 days. It's been up. So there you go. Bitcoin will buy you 109 Binance. Wow. Remember when this run started, back like, I guess maybe closer to February, it was like a 180. It was like 180, 175 or something like that. And now, it's going to be 100 BNB. And let's see if it dips below that. Let's look at the price of BNB against Ether. Binance about a quarter Ether. Binance about a quarter Ether. NFT Farmer says USSA, Socialist America. D-Bag says Kaboom, Florida. I identify with all the states. And I also identify as vaccinated. I identify with that. But it's all online, virtually. Thinking of buying HT? Yeah, I mean, I like it. I've been talking about HT. It's been pulling up. It's been doing well. And we were messing with MDEX for a while. And the whole ecosystem, it looks promising. And we've done a little bit of that. And we did pull up the heads up for Huobi token, which looks like it may pull up. Right now it's red, but maybe an opportunity. So going back to that bunny speculation, guys, let's see if they really do pull up on Binance on Friday. Let's see. It could be a complete rumor, but I'll tell you, they continue to perform quite well. And then, this is their latest news. Leads 1.6 strategic investment round for Mound. Mound are the people behind Pancake Bunny Finance. Okay, so if they're getting bags from Binance directly, I wouldn't ignore that. Yeah, Binance Labs led the strategic round as part of its ongoing effort to support startup innovation and promote DeFi. Hello, Bunny fans. As you all know, we have been hard at work on new features designed to deliver more value to all of you Pancake Bunny aficionados out there. In just the past 30 days, they've shared over 27 million to Bunny holders, boosted Bunny rewards, launched smart vaults, and began testing cross-chain collateralization. Okay. They may be doing loans. I'm telling you, that's a big one. Announcing Pancake Bunny and Binance Labs, and finally introducing you to your team Mound. So now you know who they are. So yeah, I wouldn't sleep on this one, guys. In my opinion, I already got the Bunny bag and I threw it in there, that Bunny booster. Even though the Bunny booster has a smaller API, right now in the short term, I'm interested in getting Bunny because I think Bunny's going to go up faster than BNB and or Cake. So, this is in the short term. This could be by Friday, let's say. I'm stacking the bunnies till Friday, and maybe the event, buy the rumor, sell the news. The rumor, they're going to get listed on Binance. Oh, look at all this stuff that's about to pop off. Then the news is, here we are. And it may be, the selling event for the champ. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated, but, this is my thought process. And again, that's, purpose of the channel, to entertain you guys with the thought process here regarding crypto and other current events. So yeah, drop a comment. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream earlier here, around closer to 20-25 minutes. But I'm excited. And that's my strategy right now. Maybe I'll sell the Cake and stack the bunnies. And that's what it is. We got Cake IFO pulling up on Thursday. So, we may see another boom for Cake. We definitely saw it over the weekend and into Monday. And I've been continue to keep a close eye here on Cake against BNB, which has been dumping. Technicals are reading sell, actually. Right now, Binance is stronger than Cake. But I don't think those technicals reflect and know really about what's going to happen on Thursday. Or, coming up with this IFO, it may raise the demand for those Cake BNB LPs, etc. So, 0.043 for Cake. I'm hoping one day we can hit, a high closer to the 0.06. So we'll see. But nevertheless, even if it kind of stagnates around this price, it's cool to me because you still get those APYs over 300%. So you're getting daily rewards, daily rewards. So that's what it is. Am I missing anything else? I can see other coins kind of pumping this today because, after, a couple of days of Binance pumping, I would assume that people are taking profits. Cardano now is running up. Venus is running up. BAT's been doing excellent. I'll tell you, BAT, I've always said it. BAT is a valuable token. Okay. I've clicked on BAT ads and I have bought because of BAT ads. I'll tell you, BAT, I believe, is undervalued. This is a token, a project that generates revenue. Just like Binance. Binance generates revenue. A lot of these coins are cool stories, bro. Cool ideas, bro. And, a lot of testing. But, when you're talking about revenue producing, that's one to consider. Got plenty of other green here. Kaboom, what did I miss? What is booming? Rewind to the beginning of the video, but my speculation now, it's on Pancake Bunny Finance. Rumors are they're getting listed on Binance. a centralized exchange on Friday. That could be a rumor. Again, I can be wrong. I'm just what I'm hearing. But they basically announced that they got a seed investment from Binance Lab, and they revealed that the team behind Pancake Bunny is this company Mound. They got a bag from Binance exchange. I don't know how they're calling it, like a seed or strategic investment. That's what they're calling it. They received the bag from Binance directly. Yeah, leads 1.6 strategic investment round for Mound, the team behind Pancake Bunny Finance. So there you go. That bat bag builds over time thanks to Brave for free money. Yeah, it does. I think bat is a cool project. Now, I'll be honest, the bat that I've earned, I've been selling it automatically to Bitcoin this whole time. And I'm not upset about that because I'm never mad at getting more Bitcoin. But I do recognize the value in bat. I'll tell you that much. I think it's a good one. I see how it works. It generates revenue. PooCoin's like Yield Watch, but you can see in a graph where you bought or sold, says VHS. Okay, that's cool. Bossy Gris says, love your channel, champ. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you so much. And on that note, guys, if there's no other comments and questions, I'll keep this one brief and short, and I'll keep an eye on that. No, another thing to look at, too, is this new UI from AutoFarm. New UI from AutoFarm looking sexy. And, they're supporting Hiko projects as well. So I wouldn't sleep on this one. I think that they're a boom away, I honestly. Otto's been kind of hovering there around close to 4,000. A few days ago, when we identified that they're changing their UI and they're doing more vaults or whatever, they were closer around 34, 35. So they've gone up. Keep an eye on that. I'm not currently in Otto, but I've been in and out of Otto, and we've made some gains. Keep one more eye there on the bunny before we sign off there, guys. What's China's crypto game plan? If BTC is the future, then why bar citizens from buying? Says UL. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to be honest with you, but what I do notice is that, part of keeping control is keeping people confused. So that might be adding to the confusion, and that's maybe part of the game plan, kind of like what's going on the West too. It's like a lot of confusion. Is this real? Is it not? A lot of it is just to confuse you, in my opinion. Again, I'm not anybody's daddy, but I think that part of controlling people is to confuse them. Not keep things consistent. Keep them things on their toes. Is it the mask? Is it not? Is it the vax? Or you got to take 2? Or is it going to come back tomorrow? Is it 15 days? Is it 2 years? What is it going to be? It's part of their plan to keep you on your toes. It doesn't make sense. It's not. It never was supposed to. Perhaps, maybe. I don't know. Okay, that's my opinion. Keep them confused. What's your favorite farm on Tron, champ? Says Adventures in Bitcoin. I'm not farming on Tron right now. I'm not farming anything on Tron. Right, but if it had a chance to be the future, they would at least let citizens buy it and the states would hold it. You're assuming that the state is not holding it, which they probably are. And you're also assuming that, they have the citizens' best interest in mind. And if you've been around the game long enough, things are not kumbaya like that. It's not always, the best for everybody. That's not how people operate. So, and again, those are type of ideas are cool to talk about, sometimes in the macros perspective, but, watch out, with the mental masturbation ideas. It's a lot of that stuff is like mental masturbation. What if this and what if that? It's what's booming today? It's today. What's going on today? Is it a boom or not? Okay, that's the bottom line, because you could get stuck and shoulda, coulda, wouldas and maybes and what happened and the conspiracy theory and all that. But you know the deal. Secret token. What is that? I don't know what that is. SCRT ranked number 221 on Cosmos, a privacy token. Okay, I'll keep that tab up. I like that idea. And I like Cosmos. So I'll keep that tab up. I appreciate that. And I think there'll be a time for privacy tokens. But I think also people that are a little too ideological, they probably put too much weight on them as well. You know, I get it. I understand. And I'll say this, and I'll leave it at that. If you're a true crypto maniac, if you're a true boomer, if you're truly about that crypto game, get a bag of Monero. That's it. My Ripple bag overtook my BNB bag in USD value overnight. Never thought that would happen. Good for you. What's your overall perspective on Cosmos? I'm not using it, and I don't have a big perspective on it, but what I would say is that it appears to be like a boomer. I know it's basically cousins with Binance, and it supports a lot of things within that ecosystem, and I believe the Eco has something to do with Cosmos. So I'm hearing good things about it. I'm hearing good things. I just don't have the bag, but I'm hearing thumbs up. When Ripple pumps, maybe it's time to take profits. Yeah, that sounds like it makes sense. That sounds like it makes sense. Now, as far as the Binance and the cake bags, I think that they're continuing to grow. But obviously, Binance is not going to triple up at this point in, a few days, as other coins may. Other small cap coins. Okay, so remember, we're looking for fast horses. Kaboom the Bit Papa, I see you. Shout out to Adventures in Bitcoin, UL, and the rest of the boomers. Keep one last look here and see if anything's pulling up on BNB, which today some things are. Ripple's the performer. I like Polygon Matic. This one's another alternative to Ether. Don't sleep on this one. Dogecoin, obviously, the memer. Thorchain, I've been hearing about it. EOS, we've been in and out of that one a long time ago. 0x Tron. I like Tron. I mean, I use Tron every once in a while. I mean, we're using DLive right now. As far as staking right now on farms, I'm not using that. I've been on JustSwap, UMA, I believe, but not that many. But I wouldn't sleep on Tron either. I think it's going to stick around. And then, of course, Cardano's there. Now, all the questions about what's going to happen with Binance when Cardano pulls up, when Polkadot pulls up, or when Tron pulls up, or whatever. You know what I think is going to happen? I think that Binance is just going to knock it off and just, do it. Like they did. They started with ETH. They knocked off ETH. They changed their blockchain. They are malleable. They will change. They will adapt. And that is one of the benefits, I think, of centralization in a way. Because they could, they're centralized, so they can move quickly. And they can just make, CZ could just say, look, this is what we're about to do. Now, that is a benefit and also a cost. Thoughts on the Coinbase IPO? Will big investors buy or just buy? I think I think it's going to do good. I think so. I think it's going to be hot. Shout out to Naked Matrix. Kaboom. Adventures in Bitcoin says, so true, champ. BNB did while others talk. Yeah, this is a lot of things about the crypto space, because you got a lot of like techie nerds and a lot of ideologues and people, that they think a lot, which is great. That's good, but don't get caught up so much that you're thinking so much that it becomes, you're just masturbating, thinking your thoughts. You got to jump into action. You got to do something. You got to secure the bag today. And you know what? Binance did that. And I said, guys, Binance was never the coin that I was rooting for to be the boomer, okay? But it was the one that boomed for us. So don't bite the hand that feeds you. I'm going to be honest with you, Binance adapts to all the trends in a heartbeat. Yeah, it is. That's the thing. And I'm not trying to fanboy out with Binance, because like I said, it wasn't the coin that I wanted to boom, but it's the coin that's booming. So, recognize that. Now, if it stops booming, I wouldn't stick around. It's not like I'm, in love with the tech or anything, but it's working. And I'll tell you, I would say that as tech evolves, I would expect them to evolve with the times. So if Cardano does anything that's cutting edge, Polkadot, whatever, they'll just get it and knock it off. And we all know that Binance is more boomers than Cardano. Okay, Cardano's all academic, which is cool. I mean, that is, I think there's a place for that. And it's definitely a demand for that. But when it comes to stacking and packing, the Binance team appears to be more about profits than the Cardano team. The Cardano team seems to be more about tech, which you got to respect as well. You know what I mean? Shout out to 3 Moons. I see that. I like that little meme. All right, guys. I think that's about it for today. Check out Pancake Bunny and let me know. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest, Champagne Crypto. There's my mom. Thank you for tuning in.